Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've been enjoying my videos. If you have, make sure you click that like, subscribe and share my videos around. It is greatly appreciated when you do that. Today I'm here with the Stihl RB800 pressure washer. Now I'm going to do a review on this. This is not new. Unfortunately it is not my machine, but I have been doing a lot of work with it lately. It's an amazing piece of gear. So straight off the bat, it's the bigger of the Stihl pressure washers. The RB800 puts out 4,200 psi at 15.1 litres a minute. It has a 15 metre hose which comes with it. Now you can buy replacement parts for these. Because being a Stihl, it's great, you can buy replacement parts. So you can get an extra hose. Now I've run about 30 to 40 metres of extra hoses on this system and it still works great. It's got ceramic pistons and it has a 10.5 kilowatt engine. Now just talking about the engine, the fuel tank here, you'll find, I'm actually unsure how many litres it takes. I'm sure you can look it up on the internet somewhere, but when I fill this, almost every time that I'm pressure cleaning with it, it is 2 hours. 2 hours, it'll run out of fuel. Fill it up 2 hours, it will run out of fuel. So you've got a 2 hour run time. It comes with the lance and it's got the nice grippy thing there on that lance, which I really like. Now the one thing that I have found with this unit, actually there's two things, and this unit is 75 kilos. So lifting it into a ute or trailer on your own, it's a bit of an ask. It's good if you have two blokes there to do it. The other thing is that I found when I pull this trigger and using it a lot of times, just here on my hand, the way my finger goes around, it tends to pinch the tip of my finger. I guess that's come or go, neither here nor there, it's just the size of my hand. It gets a bit of a bounce. But other than that, it's great. Now, the thing I like here is that this twists, so you can change your angle of your fan on the end. You can twist this if you want to hold it like that. Just really good comfortable grip. Other than that, when you're using it, you do want this because of the pressure that this thing puts out. Now it comes with the range of nozzles up the back here, a 0 degrees, a 15 degrees, a 25 degree, a 40 degree and a 65 degree nozzle. Now most of what I've been cleaning with, I've been using the green 25 degree nozzle. The unit itself, it's not overly quiet, so you don't want to be using it in a quiet street. Now, the beauty of this too is that they are a quick connect hose fitting. So when you get there, you want to go, click it on and go. On the other side, we click it on and go. Okay, so I just plugged it in, we've turned the water on. One of the first things that I like to do is make sure we have water coming out the end of the nozzle. Now as I said, you can turn that round, not when it's under pressure. Now I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to start. It's sitting here cold. So on the back we have two things, we have the choke and we have the on-off. So once we have the on-off, we have the throttle control. We give it a pull, and it may prove me wrong. Just like that. This thing puts out phenomenal pressure, as I have said. Now, another attachment that you can get for this device is this. It's a Stihl water broom. Now, it just unconnects. It will disconnect your nozzle, like that. and it just clips back onto your end of your lance. It puts out a nice fan. Now this is great for when you are cleaning the large areas of stuff, muck away, dirt, sweeping it away. That's a Stihl attachment, genuine Stihl, absolutely amazing piece of gear. Would recommend getting one of those. The only issues that I have had with this is that occasionally a bit of muck, because you disconnect it from here, a bit of muck is going to get into your system and block up your jets. So handy to have a little shifter or a spanner, unscrew it, needle, clean it out, screw it back up, put it back in. So that's your Stihl water broom. Really good for pushing great areas of muck. So this is not actually a Stihl attachment. This is a non-genuine Stihl. It's just another piece of stuff. Stihl do make one of these. I don't have one of them. I haven't tried the Stihl one, but it's great for cleaning large areas. Inside there you've got the two jets that spin around and clean. Now on the pressure washer that this one came with, we used to go along the ground fairly slow. As you can see in the video right now, I'm actually moving fairly quick. It still seems slow, but it cleans large areas quickly. The Stihl RB800 is an awesome machine for driving this unit. Of course, once you've cleaned all that muck off, it still lays there, then that's when you use your water broom. So I'll give it a start up again. I don't think I have anything more to say about this machine, other than I would recommend getting out there and buying one if you're in the market for a powerful machine. There is some lower models of Stihl that you can look at. Once again, I'll give this a start up just to see, but remember guys, get out there and have fun.